Day 14 of turning boring videos into viral bangers.
Picture this. It's a dark and stormy night, and a train is hurtling towards its destination with a very special cargo on board. The cargo? Tons and tons of high-quality cannabis, destined for distribution across the United States. But the train never made it to its destination. Instead, it was intercepted by the police and what would become known as the night train seizure. In one of the biggest drug busts in US history, over 100,000 pounds of cannabis was seized and over 70 people were arrested. The bust sparked a nationwide controversy, with many arguing that the drug laws were too harsh and that cannabis should be legalized. Protests and rallies were held across the country, calling for an end to cannabis prohibition and a release of those arrested in the night train seizure. The night train seizure became a turning point in the history of cannabis in America, bringing the debate over legalization into the national spotlight. So next time your friend asks for a delivery, remember the night train seizure and think twice.